Alright guys, the rest of these examples are going to be working with functions. So the first one, we're going to look at how to create a function. And we're going to look at how to call the function in following script. So we're going to create a file named function underscore example.sh, and we're going to add the following code to it. So you can call any function by name only without using a bracket in a bash script. Okay? So this is a very simple function. Let's go ahead and write it out here. Head to our virtual box. We're going to enter that Vim editor. We're going to name it function underscore example.sh. Insert, start it with the hash plane, which is the proper way to start any bash script. So this is kind of an older way to do functions. So you use the function command, which is reserved for functions, and then you put the name of the function. Use double parentheses, so left and right parentheses. Then we use the little squiggly or curly brace. Okay, and when I hit enter here, we're going to be in the body of the function now. So echo. So I'm actually indent that echo. We're going to use single quote I like bash programming. Single quote. And then we're going to close out that function with the curly brace again. Okay. Oops. I need to spell this correctly. There we go. Function F1. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to call the function. Guys, it's important when you write up a function, you need to call it afterwards. Okay? Otherwise, it's not going to execute. So when we do functions, if we're going to use this method, we use the function command, we name it with F1 and then double parentheses, and we do a curly brace, and then now we're in the body of the function here. And we can type as much as we want in here. I can add as many lines in between these curly braces as I want. Right? I can put a bunch of stuff in here, and then I close it out with the curly brace, and that curly brace, when we close it out, is lined up with the word function. Okay? Spacing and indentation is so important when we're doing these bash scripts, guys. If you have that off, it doesn't line up, it's gonna break, it's not gonna work. So very important how we line those up. And then you need to call the function after you've written it in order for it to execute. So let's do escape right quit. Let's make it executable so we can run it. Run it. Okay. Now we're going to run it, do bash function, example.sh. I like bash programming, right? Okay, so that was a very simple function, right? All we had the function doing is just echoing, I like bash programming. Simple enough, and that is how you write a function.